In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful for all living beings. Respected guests, teachers, and my dear brothers, I welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I will speak on a very important and beautiful topic. The importance of patience in Islam. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says in Surah Al-Zumar, verse number 10, إِنَّمَا يُوَفَّى الصَّابِرُونَ أَجْرَهُمْ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. And the hadith is narrated in Sahih Muslim that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, الصَّبْرُ ضِيَاءٌ. Patience means staying calm and strong when facing difficulties. It means controlling your anger, desires and emotions. It means trusting in Allah's plan even things do not go to the way we want. In Islam, patience is not just about waiting, but about remaining steadfast, doing what is right and not losing hope in Allah's mercy. Life is full of challenges. Sometimes we face sickness, loss of loved ones, poverty or disappointment. At other times, we find it hard to obey Allah or to resist temptation. In all these situations, patience is the quality that keeps us strong. The Arabic meaning of the sabr is to hold firmly or to resist temptation. It is self-control during hardship. The ability to stop ourselves from complaining and to continue doing what pleases Allah. Patience is not weakness, it is a sign of great strength. Islam teaches us about three main types of patience. First, patience in obeying Allah. This means being consistent in our worships, praying 5 times a day, fasting in Ramadan, giving charity even when we feel tired or busy. Second, patience in avoiding sins. This means controlling our desires and staying away from haram things like lying, backbiting, stealing, hurting others, and all that Allah has forbidden. Third, patience during hardship. This is when we remain calm and hopeful during times of illness, loss, poverty, or sadness. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, إِنَّمَا يُوَفَّى الصَّابِرُونَ أَجْرَهُمْ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. It means only those who are patient will be given their rewards without measure. It means the reward for patience is so great that only Allah knows it. It is limitless. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, الصبر ضياء. Patience is light. Just like light guides us through the darkness, patience guides us through the difficulties of life. One of the great examples from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's life.